Hey guys, Slime here, and yes, I have been late, okay? I know, but I'm gonna try and make it up, okay? I've been trying a lot of things so that this channel can be a whole lot better. I've been editing stuff on YouTube. I've been trying to do stuff so that, some stuff, yeah. I've been also playing some other games on my own, which have been taking up most of my time besides school and stuff like that. General stuff, but yeah, as usual, yeah. But I also have some bad news, okay? You know the world that we usually play on, Slime World? Well, that actually, like, had some problems with it. And so, yeah. Slime Palace is the only slime official world that we have right now. That's our creative one. And so now we're just gonna have to create another one. So slime world or world. I forgot how to spell world. That is just amazing. And 2. Slime World 2. And guess what? Boom. Normal. Survival. Nope, nothing else. That's basically it. So, yeah. Let's just begin this. Hooray! Since I've been talking for the past couple 2 minutes, you know, just about what's been going on, which is what usually commentary is about. But anyways, yeah. I finally found time to do this. I don't know why. I was just addicted to doing stuff on my own. So yeah. Also, I've been working on stuff for better vlogs. For better vlogs. And so yeah. Now that's good. We spawned basically on an island right here. You can go over here. And we're just gonna start from scratch. And hopefully this will be even better than my last one. So we'll find out. Keep saying that's not good. 'Cause whenever I say I'm trying to think. So yeah. Yeah. I don't even know what to say anymore. It's so like awkward doing this because I'm in a dark room with my TV on and I'm just doing this stuff. So yeah. I'm basically talking to my phone. I've been watching other my friends' YouTubes also lately. They have pretty cool stuff, but they don't really regularly upload stuff. The one that's close enough is Vage. So yeah, he's basically one of the guys that are consistent. Ashley Pearson, she has been not really uploading stuff. I don't understand why, but yeah. And Mod, like I said, he won't be uploading for quite some time until some stuff goes on. That is really dark. I am sorry for you guys to be suffering the pain of this crappy phone and all this stupid stuff. But you know, it's a cheap setup. It's fine for me. And yeah, this is just kind of a tedious task. This is one of the things I don't like about Minecraft, even though I love Minecraft like a lot. Is that there's a ton of like tedious tasks that you have to do. First off, you gotta get wood. Everyone knows this already. So why am I even saying it? And yeah. Let's go over. Dang it, what the? Wow. Okay, I need more wood. Go ahead and do this. Too bad there's nothing. Oh, there is. Never mind. Be right back. There's a cave, probably. Nope, never mind. Here, there's some stone. Hopefully I can get some cobblestone. I mean, not. Of course, I'm getting cobblestone right now. But anyways, hopefully I get like some coal on my first night, because that would be amazing if I did. But there was so many good things on there that were gonna happen on my other world, but some stupid stuff started happening and it just quit. Maybe it was because it couldn't handle the awesomeness. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. What the freak? Is there? There's like tons of albino horses over here. There's a baby one. Look. There's like tons of albino horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you gray? You're kind of, yeah, you're like them. Holy crap. There's tons of these little guys. Why? What the frick is going on? This would be cool for a Hunger Games like map. That's cool. I gotta hurry up. I should have made me a sword so I had meat on my first night. Oh, I'll still have it, but not right away, like I usually would. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and go. Oh, I got them. I'm dumb. Let's go here. Oh, what? Why? Sticks. More sticks. Well, it paid off at last. Okay. Right here. I like sorting through my stuff. Don't judge me. Not that you probably weren't. But, yeah. It goes at the end right here, and then hoe would be at the bottom. Yes. What else could I make right now? Nothing right now. Okay, so I guess we're just getting food now, and we can make ourselves a shelter. Maybe I might freaking have to. Well, thanks, pup, for doing that to this poor sheep. Slapping it across the face with your jaws. I don't think that's right, but okay. Honestly, this is pretty cool, being on islands and stuff. Like, there's probably like a deep ocean here. Having like all this like freaking like guardians and stuff. Honestly, I've never seen one in person. Well, in on PC I have, but not on PlayStation. Yeah. Also, I know this might be weird to say, but I have been taking a break from Minecraft. I was gonna post up this Saints Row video, but I don't think that's suitable for a channel. I don't know. Like Minecraft might be like one of the best ones that I can record. Like if I were to do Call of Duty or Saints Row or something or GTA, it would like be like holy crap on the eyes, like worse than what it is now. What was it? Oh yeah, I'll make me a hat for sure. Okay, I was gonna go make me a furnace, even though I don't have. Forgot. There we go. Boom, boom. I will make me some charcoal. Well, I just like waving. I don't know why. Maybe better for the video. I don't know. Probably not. Anyways, it would be best if I were to make a torch right now. Taking my stuff and going to a shelter. No, wrong one. This goes here. Oh. Use that. Use that on my beef. I'm gonna die, hunger, hooray. Gonna die all day. Okay, I really need this right now. Crap! So professional, slime. So professional. Yeah, also, I have been playing with my friends. Like, yeah, they come over and we play, like, some Minecraft and we play some Terraria. Basically, what we do. And Call of Duty, basically. Call of Duty, very funny. Okay, what time is it? Why does my finger hurt? I don't know why. Yellow. Where is the sun? Please tell me it's not setting straight away. It's right there. Crap. Ouch. Why? I need that mountain. I need that mountain. I don't care. I don't want to dig into it. Hello. Slap you straight away. Oh crap, I forgot. I am so professional. Slap, slap, slap. Okay. Give me that. Did I get that? Yes, I did. Okay, on my way there. Hopefully there's some more sheep. There is one here. And slap, slap, slap. Black one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. It's probably gonna get really dark for you guys. First little hidey hole on my first night where I will be staying. That is really dark on your screen, guys. It got dark really fast. Then again, I had like 14 minutes just to do this. Oh yes, finally coal. Wow, I can't believe I just barely found that. Well, it's always good to have a vein of coal in your house, you know. Oh wow. Okay. I don't want to suffocate. Seems like I'm gonna die in here. claustrophobic is coming through. I keep muttering to myself, and I'm not talking to you guys, and it's just derpy. Okay, dokie. So how your guys' day been going? I don't know what to say that much anymore, because I haven't been consistent, which is what I'm always trying to go for. But guess what? I'm a lazy turd, ha ha ha. I'm just joking. I'm not meaning to be rude to myself. I'm just trying to commentate after a while that of nothing happening at all. Yay! I probably look really professional right now. I got my leather cap on. I'm mining some coal. I have a crappy camera. It's just wow. I don't know why I feel comfortable talking to a camera now. Comes really easily. It is dark. Okay. How did I even do that? I don't need this for now. I'm good at here. Excuse me for that. Wow. I'll put my bed down here, I guess. I don't know. My room is apparently in my mind. But this is just for now. Well, then I guess right there. Oh, crap. Don't tell me. No, I did not. Okay, thank goodness. Looking across the sea, what can I even see? I see chickens. Where should I build my house? Should I build it on stilts out in the middle of the river or something? Oh, hi, mister. You might not see that over there. There's a creeper. I'm gonna go poke it. Hello. I'm gonna go poke it with a stick. And I'm gonna go poke it with a stick. No. No. Okay, thank goodness. I'm gonna go poke it with a stick. I'm dying. Okay, thank goodness it lagged a bit. I could have died right there. Weird. Well, I survived 2 creepers. Hooray. I'm a boss. Not really. Hi, moo cows. Or should I make it in like dark depth forest and freaking deep forest? I don't know. What do you guys think I should do it? I'm a little donkey. I don't know what to do at this time. I'm just gonna look over at the sea. I'm probably gonna end it here. So yeah, guys. I know I've been late, but I'm trying to make up for it by doing this. Hope you guys like this. Please support me in all those ways down below. Leave a comment. Do something down there. I don't know what you want to put. Put a random like thing down there. Put like dogs eat like boxes of cardboard. I don't know. something like that. But anyways, yeah, first New World. That's all I have for you guys. And stay slimy, my friends. Boopity boop.